Now that we understand what generative AI is, let's explore some of the most popular and practical tools you can start using today. These tools are user friendly and incredibly powerful, even if you have no prior tech experience. They are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. First up, we have ChatGPT. This is a versatile tool renowned for its ability to generate human like text. As a VA, you can use ChatGPT to quickly draft emails, brainstorm content ideas for social media posts, summarize articles, or even help you outline a client report. It's like having an incredibly fast and knowledgeable writing assistant at your fingertips. Just type in your request and watch it generate a response in moments. Next, let's look at Gemini. Gemini, developed by Google, is another highly capable conversational AI. Similar to ChatGPT, it excels at text generation, but it often integrates with broader knowledge bases, making it fantastic for in depth research, summarizing complex topics, and even understanding and processing information from various formats. For VAs, Gemini is perfect for quick fact finding, creating comprehensive overviews, or generating creative content with a broader contextual understanding. While we'll focus heavily on these text based tools, it's worth noting that there are many other incredible generative AI tools. Some can create stunning images from text descriptions, others generate code, and some can even clone voices or produce realistic speech. The possibilities are truly expanding every day. The best way to learn is by doing. These tools are designed for ease of use, so get ready to jump in and start experimenting. In our next sections, we'll guide you step by step on how to leverage them for your specific VA tasks.